going to teach you a simple but extremely useful strumming pattern. Now, this pattern has been used throughout folk and acoustic rock style music. Even more importantly, I'm going to teach you some of the techniques that'll help your strumming flow and have groove. I'm going to divide the lesson into 4 steps. Now, each of these steps could be a strum and a useful strum in and of itself. Each of the steps will also build on the one before it. Let me give you a short demonstration. Here's a basic down, down, up strum with none of the techniques. Now, here's adding some of the techniques you're going to learn. That second strum uses the exact same down, down, up motion, but the feel and the sound is different. Can you hear the difference? Step number 1. Now, this entire strum is built on what we call 4/4 time. What's important about that is it means that each strum pattern has 4 beats or pulses. In its simplest form, it would sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the first step, we're going to add something to make it a little more interesting. Instead of hitting all the strings on each strum, we're going to alternate between hitting the low strings and the high strings. So on beats 1 and 3, we'll hit the low strings, and on beats 2 and 4, the high strings. Now, when I say low and high, don't worry about how many of the strings you hit for now. That would be a waste of time, really. Go for like the 6th, maybe the 6th and 5th. It doesn't really matter. If you hit 1 string, fine, 2, or even 3 or 4. But the sound of going low and high will make the difference. Same with the high. Don't worry if you hit 3, 4 strings. Generally, 1 string's not going to work, but anything more than 1 string will be fine. So listen for a minute. Low, high, low, high, low, high. Now try that with me and we'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then start over. Ready? Hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Low, high, low, high. I'm using a G chord. Now do it with me, and we're going to use a G chord, just keep the same sound. I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's low on 1, high 2, 3 is low, and 4 is high. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now step number 2. We're going to add a little bit of motion to that. Instead of just down, we're going to add a down up to beats 2. Now it'll be down, down, up, down, down. But we're going to keep those lows and highs. So you'll start off with a low and then 2 highs, a down up on the high, and then low, high. Try that with me. Ready? Start. Low, high, high, low, high, low, high, high, low. If we count it, it's 1, 2, and 3, 4. We use and to mean that second half of the beat. Again, ready, hit it. Low, high, high, low, high. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay, now we're ready for step 3. Now, just to be clear, step 2 could be a good strum. And matter of fact, it's a strum I would use. But we're going to keep adding to it. Now we're going to add a down up to beats 3 and 4. So without the high and low, it'd be down, down, up, down, up, down, up. That's actually the first strum I show you. But with the highs and lows, it sounds different. We're going to do a low, high, high, like we did in step 2. Then low, high. Low on the way down and high on the way up. And then 2 highs again. So listen. Low, high, high, low, high, high, high. Now, it doesn't sound like much at that speed, but you'll see as you pick it up. Try it with me slow for now. You got to get the motion. Ready? Hit it. Low, high, high, low, high, high, high. Again. Low, high, high, low, high, high, high. One last time, and I'll count it this time. Go. Low, high, high, low, high, high, high. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Now, the down-up motion of my hand does create a certain amount of motion, but going from low to high creates much more of that groove and flow. Now, let's go on to step 4. We're going to add accents to that. There's going to be an accent on beats 2 and 4. An accent is just hitting a little bit harder than the other beats. So an accent would be no accent, accent, no accent, accent. And it's not exaggerated, like, you know, you don't break your strings. It's just a little bit more push. It gives a whole nother level of push to it. And you'll see what I mean. Let's start with that basic strum. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now the accent. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. That's 2. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So very slow. Try it with me. I'll count it out. Accents on 2 and 4. Here we go. Ready? Hit it. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 2 and 3, and 4. 1, 2 and 3, and 4. Now we've got 3 elements to the strum. One is the motion of the hand, whether it's going down or up. Then you've got whether you're hitting the low strings or the high strings. And again, it's not one string, but in that area of low and high. And finally, the accents. I'm going to play those 2 strums again and listen to the difference. Here's the basic. Down, down, up, down, up. Now, here's with the techniques we just learned.